welcome back to the channel. Today's car we're going to be taking a quick look at is the rather impressive FAB1 from Scalextric, obviously from Thunderbirds, and you can see it in the screen there, looking very pink and resplendent in its case with the nice background in. So let's get this out and have a look. We got this one from Jadlam Racing, which seemed to be about the cheapest at the time, and I also had a bit of credit left with them. It's a bit of a bugger to open the box, but look at it, there we go. There you can see it in all its glory. We'll just unscrew the clip at the bottom. We got it. There we go. Move the box out of the way. First thing that strikes you about this upon unboxing it is the size. This is a big one. This is even bigger than a couple of the racing trucks I've got. But the detail on it is really good. I think Hornby have done themselves proud with this one. You see with a nice grille, the angel on the top. It's got working lights. The chrome is really nice. Four wheels at the front. Zoom in a little bit and see a bit more of the detail. A nice looking Rolls-Royce radiator, even with the double R on it. Come around the other side. Got the big wing mirrors. Door handle picked out. Working rear lights as well. And these aerials, which look like a massive candidate for being broken, but they're not even glued in, so you can take them off, which is what I'll do when I run it. There we go. The only thing is with the box doesn't allow enough clearance, so it pings at these when you open it, and if you're not careful when you close it, you'll probably snap them off. But yeah, I'll take them off when I run it. Two exhausts at the back. Sadly no machine gun on the front, but the detail inside is great. Now, does that look like Parker or what? They've done a really good job there. Not one of these horrible blobby models they tend to put in sometimes. This is a good one. Bit too much glare there. With Lady Penelope in the back, the lining on the seats, dashboard, all nicely painted and coloured. Old Parker with his hat on. There's some levers either side of the dash, presumably for the machine gun or something. Yeah, Hornby have outdone themselves on this as a Scalextric car. It's really quite impressive. Just to give you some idea of the size, I've got a Ford Escort here. You can see the difference in size. If I line up the wheels, let's do it with the guide. Difficult for me to show it with this camera. Let's just move something out of the way. This does take up, on Scalextric track anyway, it does go more than halfway across when it's on. But you can see the difference in size there. and the length of the thing. But it's an impressive beast. I've only got two minor quibbles at the moment, and that is the aerials getting caught on the packaging when you open it, and the guide on this one refuses to sit straight. I've not had this apart, so I don't know whether it's just a bit of a caught wire in there. I don't know. Doesn't seem to affect its running in any way. And it's got the nice Thunderbirds logo, if you like, moulded into the base. Now, how are we doing for magnets with this one? Just trying to find my tester. Yeah, magnets there, but not overly strong. There's no way I'm picking this one up with that, with just the magnet power. No other magnets, no, just there, which makes sense. But yeah, it's a beauty, and this one comes in at almost crazy 134 grams. I think the previous ones I've done have been about 80, so yeah, it's a lot heavier. Certainly be interested to see how this gets around the track. Yeah, lovely model, lovely model. So the only thing to do now is to get it on the track and see how it does. Let's go. that's the track testing done. That was great fun to drive that. It took me a while to get used to it and ended up doing 80 odd laps, I think. I can't scroll through the lap times because the battery died on the iPad and lost them all, but it did keep the record. So as you can see, out of the 3 we've done so far, that is the fastest by a reasonable distance. It does spin out nicely on corners and stuff, but it is pretty quick. Took me a good while to get the hang of it, to try and get the best out of it, but it runs really well. That's straight from the box. I had given it a brief test run before, but yeah, I think that's a winner, that one. I like that one. How you'd get on with in an actual race with it being so wide, I don't know, especially if you had 2 of these. Could be fun, I suppose, but it might result in a bit of ramming. Yeah, so that's the Hornby FAB1, unboxed, looked at, track tested. Yeah, goodbye that one. I enjoyed that one. Made a change. So we'll see you soon in the next one with another car to look at. Probably another older second-hand one, but we'll see what we've got. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and bye for now.